I teach you one Konkani song. Listen. Abba, Abba, eh Abba.
Hava, hava.
Same tune, same tune. Same tune, yeah.
Hava, hava. Hava.
Whatli mai kahin गेल्या?
Vadli mai kingela.
Whatli mai
Vadli mai.
kahin गेल्या?
Vadli mai kingela.
Whatli
Ava, ava. Ava. Vadli mai kingela.
whatli mai nang गेल्या?
Vadli mai nongela. After me.
Namso sabu son गेल्या.
Sosa, musa.
Namso
Nomso.
sabu
Sabu.
son गेल्या.
Songela. I feel Korean is better.
Continue. Namso sabu son गेल्या.
Nomso sabu songela.
सुकोन कष्टीवरून गेल्या.
Sukdal kashtal ontige.
Whatli mai kahin गेल्या?
Only mange yellow.
Did you understand nothing?
No, the sukka kashta something.
Not at all.
No.
It's how we know.
Hava, hava.
No. One person is asking with the grandfather, like grandfather, grandpa, where is grandma?
Aja, aja, ajali.
Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Ajja will say, Ajji went for taking bath. Okay. Then Ajja will tell, Ajji ಸ್ನಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but she forgot the soap to take. ತಪ್ಪಿ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I can't do this. I don't know.
It's not exactly chaddi, so you know that olden days they put chaddi, no. What we say?
It's not chaddi. It's not chaddi. But olden days,
ಚಡ್ಡಿ ದಾದ ಬಂದು ಇಂಚ. I'll show you. ಸುಗಂಧ ಶಿವನ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಡ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಕೈ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಡ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ನಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Kali, no clothes, no dance.
That meaning is like instead of taking the soap, she took the kasti and went. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ.